Alright, here's a little video. EOtech EFLX red dot. So it comes with a little tool, Allen wrench, probably some screws. This is the cover, comes with this little cover on it. And then you got the red dot itself. This is actually a really nice design. I like how it's made. This is the second one. I have another one on my wife's SIG, the AXG P320. But overall, this is a really good design. It has a really large window, and the buttons are super easy on the side. It mounts relatively low. It's not very high. The bottom is sealed, so you don't have to worry about that. Top loading for the battery. And then you got your adjustments for windage and elevation. This one right here is gonna go on my my Springfield, but I'm waiting on the plate. So I'll put that down. It's gonna go on this one right here. This is the pistol that I got that red dot for. Waiting for the mounting plate from Springfield Armory, but it's gonna sit something like that to kind of give you what it's gonna look like. I figured this would be a good red dot for this pistol. I added the gas pedal, which helps a lot. Just gives your thumb somewhere to live, and just helps mitigate the recoil as well. And I added this TLR1 light. Yeah. This is the EOtech EFLX red dot. They're kind of hard to get. They sell out all the time. Some people have said they had problems. I haven't had any issues with the other one that we own that I got for my wife's pistol, and I'm excited to get this one on here because I know it's going to be great. This gun runs perfect, and it already comes with the suppressor height sights since it has the threaded barrel. So should be able to co-witness all day long, no problem. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is an XDM Elite, the 4.5 inch, and this barrel length with the threaded end is actually longer than the other XDM, the full size like competition model. I believe this barrel is longer than that one, and they call this one the 4.5, but I believe they're basing that off of the slide length, not the barrel length. But yeah, this thing's ran flawlessly, 0 issues. It's got the mag well factory. Only thing I changed was this gas pedal, added the light, and I'll be adding that red dot to it. But overall, it's been great. Never had a single issue. It's a good pistol. Great for the money. I'd highly recommend it. I know not everybody's fans, but it feels great in the hand, shoots nice, and standard capacity. Magazines are like 22 rounds, 22 plus 1, so 23. And then you can get the extended ones that have over 35, 36. So, yeah. Had a little bit of technical difficulties there at the end, but we'll sum it up. It's a Delta Point Pro footprint. It's a good little setup. I recommend it. Like I said, we already have one. This will be the second one that we have. Any questions, just, drop them below.